Okay, hold on. Go! Piper, start. Start it. Now, Piper, say something about I'm gonna do something to your face. Remember that with Dragon Ball? You said I'm gonna poop it.
You better stop saying. Everybody stop arguing, or else I'm gonna go to your house in the middle of your sleep, poop in your face,
Yeah.
and shove it down your throat with a sock.
Yeah, hey, Piper, I just got an idea. You know what that idea is, Piper?
No.
I'm gonna play Flipshot, and it's gonna be in the video for YouTube. Your pets.
I'm gonna be like, oh motherfucking.
Yeah, Piper, go ahead and sit it for YouTube too. People will want to see it. You dare me, Piper? Is that on yet? Hold on. I'm gonna put it on my TV. Look, I can hear my TV because my TV's not loud enough for the song. So Piper, we got the everybody. We will honk. Now you don't have to do that anymore, right?
Okay.
But do you want to hear? I'm gonna pop some tads.
Yes, who doesn't? If you don't want to hear it, you're a real big noob.
No, I like it a lot. I like that song. I wasn't trying on Spotify today.
Yeah, that's why you're awesome.
I wasn't trying on Spotify today too, but then I forgot about my update. What the?
You the peacekeeper, the peacekeeper, the PP keeper.
Papa, did you just say the PP keeper?
No, why would I say that?
You said the P.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I did.
Hey, Papa, guess what?
Think about it.
I'm gonna pop some tads.
Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Here we go. It says transfer 2.
What?
I want to spin around you. I found key. Do not talk. I'm recording this for YouTube. I'm still saying I'm asking Papa. Papa, sing it now.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big pack. I'm pumped up on some shit from a thrift shop. I said my friend just so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. Headed to the mezzanine, dressed in all pinks and my gator shoes. Those are green drink and a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should have washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get confident, watching it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on his moccasins. Someone else is gonna rock it. I'm me and grungy fucking it. I'm just stuffing your closet and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Your Lord jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I tried to dig in. It had a broken keyboard.
Yeah, Papa, I'm gonna put some tads on this one.
Then I bought a keyboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. Gentlemen ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hello. I can take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. So sneakerheads will be like, oh, he got the Velcro. I'm gonna buy some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a cover, this is fucking awesome. I'm gonna buy some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a cover, this is fucking awesome. What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, words on it in that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her stuff. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll put those flannel zebra jammies second hand and rock that motherfucker. The built-in onesie with the socks on the motherfucker. I hit the party and I stop in the motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just a bigger bitch. Getting swindled and pimped.
I can hear you because it's so loud.
That shirt's hella dope. And I'm the same one as 6 of the people in this club is a hella dope. Gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella wrong. Man, you hella wrong.
Two little poppin' cats. That's funny.
Looking for a cover. This is fucking awesome. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a cover. This is fucking awesome.
Is that your grandma's coat?
Listen, that part's funny at the end. Is that your grandma's coat? Why did she say that, Viper? Hey, Viper, are you still here?
No.
Oh, it's an invisible ghost. Alright, Viper, no FaceTime when I get it. I can't get it
Do
in.
you even have FaceTime?
I can't, no, it's not on my iPhone. Skype is, but I don't know how, I have to sign up for Skype.
Sign up for Skype, it's free and we'll be able to Skype.
I don't want to Skype with you unless I can see. If you Skype, can I see a truck with the speakers pop out? Do you think I'll be able to see?
What?
Well, Skype, can you see them in real life?
Yeah, it's like actually them. It's a video chat.
Hold on, Viper, I gotta stop recording first and upload. Hey, Osborne,
Your weekend caller disconnected.
Osborne, can you say my weekend call one more time? Osborne, say it. Osborne, say it.
Knick knack, you're gonna be on YouTube with us. I'm recording.
So am I.
Yeah,
Hey.
God David's recording, I'm recording, everybody's recording.
Not us.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, guys. This is God David trying to get me.
Can I do whatever I want?
Yes, you can say my week.
No.
You can say my weekend call.
Aww.
You say my weekend call, Osborne.
It's not one of those like little iPod videos. This one is with the real camera.
Josh,
Like one of those big ones.
I could
Oh,
get.
I knick-knack leave. Just want to be on YouTube.